So now we are moving to the next part of our video, that is how to download and install Ubuntu on VMware Workstation Player in Windows. Let's see first of all how we can download ISO file for Ubuntu and then we will install it. For this, open your browser, go to the ubuntu.com. Once the website will open, go to the download section. Then we want to download desktop ISO file, so click on this. Once you click on save button, the download of our ISO file will start. So this ISO file is about 2.5 GB, so it will take some time to download. I have already downloaded it and have already saved this ISO file on my computer. So once we have this ISO file, we are ready to create our Ubuntu virtual machine. So just open your VMware Workstation Player. And here we are going to create new virtual machine, so select this option and choose the last option which says I will install the operating system later. Then click next. Here we choose Linux and in version select Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click next. Here we give name to our virtual machine, and if you wish to change location, browse to the particular location, then click next. Here this is the disk capacity, so we need to specify the disk capacity. Minimum capacity required is 20 GB. Increase it if you want to. Suppose we want to select 50 GB, so select 50 GB here. Here we have two options. Select the second option, that is split virtual disks into multiple files. Then click next. This is the specification of our virtual machine. So here just click finish. This is our VM that is created, but still we cannot play it. So select this option, that is edit virtual machine settings. Here in this setting you will see the memory first. By default VM allocate 2 GB memory to your machine, so change it if you want to. By moving scroll bar you can. Then you can choose processor. By default 1 core is allocated. For example, suppose we want to change it to 4, so we can change it. This is the hard drive space we required. Next option is CD DVD SATA auto detect. This part is very important, so click on this, and in the connection just choose this option, that is use ISO image file, and then browse for the file where our ISO file is saved. Choose your ISO file, then click open and then click OK. And now we are ready to start our virtual machine installation. So click on this button, that is Ubuntu 64-bit, open it. Our operating system will start. So this is the language in which you want to install Ubuntu, so I will choose English, then click install Ubuntu button. This is the keyboard layout, so I will choose English US, then click continue. Here it will ask you what step you want to install with. You can also choose normal installation, it gives some more feature. I am just choosing minimal installation, then check this option, install third party software, then click on continue. In this next step it says this computer currently has no detected operating system, what do you like to do? So this is the option. This will not erase your data, this will only erase the space that we given to the hard disk. so just leave it as default and then click on install now, then click continue. So now in next window you have to provide your location, then click continue. Now here on next window you will be asked to give your name. Suppose I write my name. Next, then give the computer name that you want to. Suppose I write. Then choose your password that you want to give. Write a password that is easy to remember. Then confirm your password. Then click continue. And you will see the installation of Ubuntu will start, and in this step you need to wait for some time for installation to be finished. Once the installation is finished, you will see this message that is installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. Then click restart now. Now it says please remove the installation medium, then press enter. So at this step close the window, then click on the power off. Now we have to start our VMware player again. Then click on this Ubuntu 64-bit, then play the Ubuntu. Then click the Ubuntu. If you see this black screen, don't worry, wait for some time. Now click on username and provide the password that you have given at time of installation. Then press sign in. So now you can see here your Ubuntu window is visible. Now to maximize this window, write these two commands on Ubuntu terminal. First, sudo space apt minus get space install space open minus vm minus tools. Then press Y, then click enter. Then write one more command that we have written earlier. Write that and in last just write minus desktop, then press enter and then press Y once again. Once this command is finished, you just need to restart your Ubuntu operating system. So now you can maximize your virtual machine. Now we will see how to delete the virtual machine from VMware Workstation Player. Just right click on this, then click on delete from disk and click on yes button. This is the place where we installed our guest operating system. So after deleting it, our memory that we had given is now free. So that's all about how to download and install Ubuntu on VMware Workstation Player and how to delete virtual machine that we had created. Thank you.